Hi, in this video you are going to see how I created this website under 10 minutes for free. There is only 5 steps to create a running website: register a domain name, get a web hosting, connecting domain and hosting, install WordPress, issue SSL. We are going to use freenom.com for free domain and infintifree.net for free hosting. First, get a free domain. First, go to freenom.com and sign up with Freenom. I already have an account. Setting up a Freenom is very simple. Just give an email and password and verify it. Click Register New Domain, search for the domain and follow the steps in the screen. Here is my domain. We have a free domain now and it's a time to get hosting. Sign up with your email and verify your email. You can host 3 websites in one account. You have web hosting and domain for free. We need to connect both of them. Change the domain name server to endzone.epizY.com and endzone.epizY.com is shown in the screen. After you change the name server, go to Infinity Free and click Create Account. Change domain type to custom domain. Enter the domain that you have registered. Go account page and click Manage. Wait for a minute. Your status will change pending creating to active. Click Control Panel and click Approve. Now we are going to install WordPress in Control Panel. WordPress is content management system. We do not need HTML or CSS to create and run the website. To install WordPress, click Spectaculous App Installer. Follow the steps on screen. You have a website that up and running for free. That's it, you have created a website for free. Now it's a time to install SSL. Infintifree.net give free SSL. Click free SSL certificates and add SSL domain. Enter your domain and follow the screen. To get SSL certificate, you need to verify you are the owner of the website. Add this record to CNAME record. Follow the screen. After a minute, status will change to pending to issued. This is SSL certificate. You need paste the certificate in the control panel. Copy and paste your private key and click Upload key. Do the same on certificate. If there is no error, your SSL should work fine. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to run your website automatically. My website posting 100 posts per day automatically.